I sit in piles of wrath, giving back what I took from the past. I did the math, it doesn't add or subtract. I always sat in the back and wrote quotes from my favorite jams. Now Rick and I were shitting into this can like a blast from the pantry. Overgrown man seeds, purified in waters for a Minnetonka brain freeze. Bright as the sun, but phase 1 we take the power and run. Phase 2, phase 3, profit raking the funds and take a shower in the coffee beans. I possibly have a dark roast watching me. I was taught to breathe through black ink, spit and beats, and now I leak treats, sit and see. We just needed a path, so we're having fun in light of the trash. I don't see the point in breaking our backs. We just came to watch the clock tick and spot where you botch it. We're getting lighter while you're eating up the fag. But we're never looming on rumors suited for tumors, and prove these losers are smoother than cougars poaching on suitors. So we tutor rooter students with cruder looters and rodents. What they're calling for is voodoo. What we need is an improvement. But in the meantime, wait and see. While we maintain no name rockin' beats, it's not a race, pacemakers. Get some sleep. We'll be right here fighting boredom with the rhythm of speech. Holla! Woo!
Oh! It's that man, Mikey.
Ricochet.
Bleak scale.
On the beat.
Bleak scale on the beats. Robin on the phone. Said, yo, Ricochet, what are you doing today? Said, unemployment. They said, dude, you know what you should do? Write a fucking verse. Said, alright, check this one out. I got the termites coming out the woodwork. Just might be enough for me to go berserk. I'm getting hypey as I wipe the smirk off my shirt. And now I need to take a break like Rick just called in the expert. Saw the ball through the wall as I came around first. Popped the squad a second and I wrote the verse. Heard around third that the curse was broken. Walked off towards home so I could get to smoking. Got a couple evil plans I need to set in motion. Lost knots going off just to cause a commotion. We get 'em moving like the fish in the ocean, see. Rick and them getting swifty. Writing raps and caps cause rappers are shifty. Cops from Taco Bell cause your boy is thrifty. Heartbeat 7-2 but the wrist ticks 60. Time doesn't wait so the father just missed me. Sitting on the couch just whistling Dixie. With a couple mouse traps and a 40 of Mickeys. Conquest in my conference. Not a lot of teams want to face Shay's offense, and they all choke like a black team caught jaywalking. But if the president's talking, I'ma turn the music up and just keep on walking. But if his little parrots want to keep on squawking, I'ma need a little help from Chewbacca and Cochran.
Yeah.
We out.
Yeah.
Fresh is what we do. Fresh is what we do. Lost cosmonauts.
TLC.
And we out. Don't go chasing waterfalls.